Welcome back, and it's time now for match number 14 on day 4. It's the Gujarat Panthers up against the Bengaluru SG Mavericks. And listen to everyone singing happy birthday to Arina Rodionova, the Russian-born Aussie, is part of the first game in this encounter. She takes on Ekaterina Yashina in the women's singles. We then have the men's singles. India's number 1 Sumit Nagal up against Ramkumar. Then the mixed doubles, and finally the men's doubles. So 4 games, 20 points each. And this is going to be a defining moment for both these sides. And Arjun Kapoor now in the house, the brand ambassador for the Gujarat Panthers. And the birthday girl, she's an animated character. She's loving life in India, enjoys a few moves on the court as well in celebration. And she's been producing the goods with the racket too. So the confidence is sky high. And there you go, opens her account with the first points of this game for Bengaluru SG Mavericks, and already she's bouncing about on court.
And she does enjoy her dance moves, Sohail, but she's telling me at home, her husband, who's also a sports person, there's some serious competition when it comes to board games. Very competitive, both of them. A sister, a tennis player as well.
It's an accomplished sporting family. Arina Rodionova, Russian-born Aussie, up against Ekaterina Yashina. Good rallies, the pace of the court.
1-all.
They've figured it out. A fast court here in Pune. And Arjun Kapoor egging Ekaterina on as the first points come the way of the Gujarat Panthers.
We're into a second match of the day. Gets that wide serve, slices it. A little too cute with that backhand. Hits the higher part of the net. Arjun Kapoor is happy as long as Ekaterina can keep winning points here.
And she started well. Half begun is well done. And overall, when you look at what she's brought to the table in the 2 days she's been a part of this squad, it's mighty impressive.
4-2 Gujarat.
And she's got the early lead at 4-2. They change ends after 10 points. And Arjun Kapoor should be really happy with the start from his squad in yellow. Again, looking for the deep slice. And at the moment, they're cruising. Rodionova needs to find answers, and that's not the answer. Again goes long. She's the one who spent more time on court, but Ekaterina looks like the one that's more comfortable at the moment.
And what a team, what a squad, the Gujarat Panthers. They have India's number 1, India's number 2. On paper, one of the most complete sides.
Just remember, that isn't Karman Kaur, she's wearing her t-shirt. But Karman not there anymore. She's playing even better than Karman did perhaps though. That's how good Ekaterina Yashina has been ever since she's landed up in this squad. And she's raced away to a 7-3 lead.
She means business. So quick, such a good backhand down the line. They're enjoying it.
Oh, what a serve.
10-4 Gujarat.
Yashina with absolute magic yet again. And guess what? She can't lose it from here. It's 10-4 in the women's singles.
Out. 10-5 Gujarat.
5 points separate them.
You want to so badly that sometimes that desire doesn't quite match the nerves that come with it. Again, going for the high balls at the moment, Yashina. Now changing the pace of the rally. Rodionova doesn't mind this though. Having said that,
11,
it's the error that gives Gujarat the win in
Vishnu.
the women's singles.
Vishnu.
5-11 now the
Vishnu.
scoreline, and you can't come back
Vishnu.
from there.
Did we see this coming? Did anyone see Ekaterina come in place of Karman and do so well for herself and for the Panthers?
She's not lost a game yet in the Tennis Premier League. Katerina Yashina. A tie yesterday, a win today. And now it's about Rodionova trying to come back.
11-6 Gujarat.
11-6.
Lots can change after this match. Gujarat can very well occupy that #1 spot unless Bengaluru do something
12-8
tremendous. More of
Gujarat.
those.
Well, the key is that Gujarat have gone past Bengaluru, and they were behind them coming into this. So already the perfect start for the Panthers. A few smiles with that last point for the birthday girl. So at least a better showing in the end, but what a performance. Not from Karman, but actually from Ekaterina Yashina.
The lights are on. The atmosphere electrifying. India's #1 goes up against the man with the most aces this season, Ramkumar Ramanathan, on the other side of this short break.
चल
आजा मैदान में
चल
आजा मैदान में
We're back here at the Balewadi in Pune for game #2 of this match 14. We already saw the women's singles go the way of the Gujarat Panthers, and it's now Sumit Nagal, India #1, up against Ramkumar Ramanathan. Oh, you've got to play it. The net cord allowed in TPL. That's the example of it, but good recovery from Sumit Nagal. I've got Sarthak Lal alongside myself, Suhail Chandok, in the com box for you for this one. And this is going to be a
Out.
fantastic encounter. Sumit taking on
1-0
Ramkumar.
Bengaluru.
A mouth-watering contest. Expect fireworks from both sides. Of course, Sumit has been tested. Nikki Punacha managed to beat him a couple of days back. Ramkumar, a man who's had the most number of aces in season 5. That goes long, did pretty much everything right in that rally. Sumit Nagal, Ram loves it, that smile on his face tells a story. Sent that so deep. One more. Keep adding to that aces tally because he's leading and leading by
4-1
some margin
Bengaluru.
in that department. No one close to Ramkumar Ramanathan this season when it comes to serving out some absolutely amazing aces. Take a look at where Ram is standing. What's that?
Ball.
Forcing Sumit to go down the middle,
5-1
and it works in his favor.
Bengaluru.
And that's a battle of egos. Sumit Nagal is giving in to the ego here. He's got to be careful. There's no need. Stick to your job. Ramkumar Ramanathan, the senior man in some way, is playing with the mind of Sumit Nagal.
5-2
There you go.
Bengaluru.
Just stick by your game. Don't give in to what's going on the other side, because that is gamesmanship. And this is the game that Sumit Nagal has. He's got to stick to it. Beautiful forehand.
Slices it back.
Out.
Interestingly, Sumit has been
8-2
targeting that
Bengaluru.
backhand of Ram and going so close to those sidelines. And the margin for error. There's really no need to go so fine. We've seen a couple of errors from the same shot there.
Ram just looking very calm, composed.
8-3
There's the
Bengaluru.
Sumit Nagal point. Still trailing by 5. But having done a good job in the women's singles, suddenly Bengaluru have edged ahead in the overall match, 16-15. So Sumit Nagal needs these points
Ball.
And he has the opportunity on a second serve finally from Ramkumar, who has been pinning the first serves. That's a brilliant second serve.
9-2 Bengaluru.
Catches the line.
Comes in for the serve and volley. Oh my goodness. Take a look at Ram's reaction. He's enjoying his time on court.
10-3
This is
Bengaluru.
old school tennis at its best. Gets the serve with a smile on his face. Comes in. Look at the ease. The hands there, so comfortable.
I think that's what is annoying Sumit Nagal even more. Ramkumar dominating
Out.
and continues to dominate. That is the winning
11-5
point.
Bengaluru.
He's got to that magical 11 number. So he takes the win versus India's number 1. Showing Sumit Nagal that he is the former India number 1. And ranked at his best higher than Sumit Nagal himself. And continues with those big first serves. This format certainly suits Ramkumar Ramanathan.
And he's been a star across seasons.
14-6
Representing
Bengaluru.
Mumbai, shining with them. Now shining with Bengaluru. Ramkumar Ramanathan making Team Bangalore proud. And Balu sir is on the court. What a performer.
Look at that. 12-8 to Yashina, but then Ramkumar does the unthinkable. 14-6 in the men's singles. This is the
Bengaluru to
combination
serve
that
from the right of the
Bengaluru
chair.
need to continue the good work of Ramkumar Ramanathan. Plenty of talent on offer here on day 4. On the near side, Bengaluru SG Mavericks, Arina Rodionova, the Russian-born Aussie, and Vishnuvardhan, a veteran of Indian tennis, a brilliant doubles player himself,
Ready?
with a big serve. And he'll be serving
Right.
to Mukund Sasikumar on the far side. Here we go, mixed doubles action. Starts with that big serve we
1-0
just spoke of.
Bengaluru.
Vishnuvardhan in rip-roaring form. First points on the board for Bengaluru SG Mavericks. That's long from Rodionova.
2-1 Gujarat.
Good serving from Mukund Sasikumar. And it gives the Panthers the early lead. And for Gujarat, they need the win badly. At the moment, it's not going their way. Excellent work at the net from the accomplished Vishnuvardhan, former Olympian, his wife, Sonia, watching on with a big smile on her face. Pounds that home. Easy as you like from Vishnuvardhan.
That is better, much better from the Panthers.
5-4
They'll need more of
Bengaluru.
those if they want to bounce back. It's just a 5-point difference. Arjun Kapoor likes that from India's number 2, and Ekaterina, who's making TPL her home, winning hearts.
And that's just as good from Mukund Sasikumar. India's number 2 sends it down the tee
5-all.
and draws level at 5-all. She got beaten in the women's singles. Now they're trailing in the mixed doubles. Oh, just drops him for pace. Mukund Sasikumar perhaps expected it to come to him a bit quicker, but just died on him. Watch this. In comes the volley. It just needed to be a bit more alert. Good volley from Vishnuvardhan.
Again straight to Mukund, but this time very effective from Arina's end. The sheer pace on that blistering forehand. Take a look at this forehand. India's number 2 had no chance to send that volley back. This is the energy. This is what the Mavericks are known for.
And there it is.
7,
They hit the magical 10 number, and the Bengaluru SG Mavericks will celebrate.
It's the serve on the body.
And these are important moments as well, because when you look at that overall scoreline, 27-32, the Panthers got off to a brisk start in the women's singles through Yashina, but since then, the Mavericks have just bounced back. Final point of the mixed doubles. The birthday call gets the job done. And there's the win for the Bengaluru SG Mavericks in the mixed doubles. 11-9. And they continued the lead in the overall match score as well. Set up by Ramkumar Ramanathan, and Vishnuvardhan and Rodionova continue the good work.
The doubles action follows after this, where India's number 1 and number 2 will come up against an in-form Ramkumar and Vishnu. 6 points separate these teams at this stage. The final game follows after this quick breather.
चल
आजा मैदान में
चल
आजा मैदान में
A dream atmosphere to play in. Players play all year round as individuals largely, but this team atmosphere, the vibe here just adds to that joy on their faces.
We've got a special guest in the commentary box as well, Connie Perrin, joining us from the Punjab Patriots. Connie's had a fantastic outing so far in the Tennis Premier League Season 5. And Connie, lovely to have you swap the racket for the mic in hand. Welcome to the commentary box.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for having me. I'm super pumped to be here and chat a little bit about some tennis and some fun stuff from here. So let's do it.
You enjoy the outings on court, Arjun Kade alongside you. That's delightful, that pairing to watch. Loving it?
Yeah, look, I'm in a team that is super fun as well, so that helps. Like, we are all vibing together. Like, we are competitive, but we are also having fun on and off the courts, which gives you a lot of energy as well when you are here, and also taking the crowd with us. Like, they're really supportive, and it's super fun. Look at this crowd here also tonight. No, it's just a super experience to be here. You gotta think fast. 20 points is super fast. You gotta bring the best energy you can in a short time, physically, mentally. So yeah, it's super, super challenging.
And just as you said, when you get that first serve pinned down, it's hard from there on, and Vishnuvardhan doing just that.
Great serve.
And that's long.
A great return from Ram right there. And yeah, it's all about the serve in this match as well. Like, you have two big servers here, like with Ram and Vishnu. So it gives them like a lot of pressure on the other side.
We saw Ramkumar Ramanathan smiling through his serves through the encounter as well.
Yeah, he's feeling it. He's feeling it here. I remember also last year, he was entertaining and serving huge the whole time. So yeah.
Yeah, that is going to be hard to come up against, but they're doing a great job. Arjun Kapoor, the world of Bollywood and entertainment matching sports. It's always nice to see the flavor coming in. Connie, you're now used to it.
Yeah, it was a tough one today. She really challenged me out there. She's a lefty, which is also tricky. Also on this surface, she has a great lefty serve, and the slice takes a lot with the effect on the court. But yeah, I'm super, super pumped I could get the win for my team, because it was not an easy one. I stayed there mentally. I didn't really think about what was the score. I was just like, okay, you gotta just focus one at a time and try to keep your serve, try to give her some returns in and see what she can do.
Well, you got the job done, not just in the women's singles, but also in the mixed doubles after that as well. Coming in at 12-8. But Connie, we'll come back to you in just a bit. Thanks so much for joining us in the comm box. So much more to come from Connie Perrin in the commentary box as well.
No, thank you so much, guys. It's a pleasure.
Ram and Vishnu loving life at the moment.
8-4 Bengaluru.
The ease, the smiles, the comfort level between Ram and Vishnu. When you enjoy your tennis, the results show.
And what a serve. Yet again down the tee
10-6 Bengaluru.
to put this side into double digits in the men's doubles. And suddenly, look at that scoreline. 43-33. With 4 points to come, they could get to 47. That would be massive. But he can't respond when Ram does that.
11-6 Bengaluru.
We speak of the first one, leading the aces department. Let's also find out the stat on his second serves. He's equally confident going after that second one. Bengal, of course, started this campaign this season with 46, broke it, made it 47 last evening. And now it's another 46 for
13-7
Bengaluru.
Bengaluru.
Ram and Vishnu are on a roll. Mrs. Sonia Vardhan loves it. What a campaign. Taking out India's number 1 and 2. Smiles across all 4 faces. An all-Indian contest.
There is confirmation. 46-34. A 13-7 win in the men's doubles. 11-9 in the mixed. Before that, an absolute drubbing from Ram Kumar. 14-6 over Sumit Nagal.